So I began to notate and to write down the melodies, etc., in my spare time. But what happened was I got a call from Sheboygan, Wisconsin. This is all documented, and a woman said to me, my name is Rebbitzin so-and-so, and we have a problem here in Sheboygan. I said, what is the problem? She said, my daughter is getting married. And I said, Mazel Tov. I figured it's either a shotgun wedding or what's the problem? She says, no, you have to understand. She said, my daughter's chassan, the bridegroom, is bringing 60 boys from a yeshiva in New York, and they need some music to play. And she said, I'm going to give you my daughter. So the daughter got on. Daughter's name is Sylvia Barak Fishman, who was a professor of sociology in Brandeis. It was her wedding, and she said to me, Mr. Pasternak, we're desperate. She said, we went to the closest band leader to Sheboygan, which was in Milwaukee, in Chicago, or whatever it was, and we asked him, do you know Jewish music? And he said, of course. And she said, can you give me a couple of melodies you know? He said, well, Hava Nagila. She said, what are my guys going to dance to? What's going to be at the wedding? How long can you play Hava Nagila? She said, you must do a mitzvah, a good deed. I said, what's the good deed? She says, you got to write down some melodies for me to give to the band. I said, she said, how much do you charge? I said, I don't charge. If it's a mitzvah, whatever you want. I'll tell you how much time. If you want to send me a couple of bucks, gesundheit. I sat down and I wrote out 25 melodies that were very, very known in the yeshiva world at the time that I figured they would know. And I wrote them out, put a couple of chords in, wrote them by pencil, sent them off to her. 2 weeks later, I got a check for $25 in the mail with a lot of blessings that this was a wonderful, wonderful wedding. And it was absolutely terrific and thanked me no end. Good. Fine. 5 weeks later, I get a call from Tampa, Florida. And Mrs. Goldenberg says, we was in Sheboygan and we have the same problem in Tampa. I didn't know what she was talking about. I said, please explain. She said, we need music. She said, we don't have any music. I hadn't even kept a copy of the 25 pieces I wrote. So this time I wrote them out by pen, made a Xerox copy, and I sent them out to her, whatever. Within a period of 5 months, I was getting requests from everywhere, from San Diego, from Boston, from Miami. We need the music, and I sent everybody. So I said to myself at that point, this is 1968, somebody must need this stuff.